Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. So recently I got a request on my Instagram page to make some Mardi Gras themed cupcakes, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you're interested in other small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. Okay guys, so for these cupcakes you're going to need some cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, buttermilk, and vanilla extract, a little sugar, an egg, and some super soft butter. So we're going to start by whisking all our dry ingredients together and we're going to set that aside. In another large bowl, we're going to start by adding in our butter and all of our sugar, and we're going to cream this together until it is nice and light and fluffy. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my egg. Whoa, did you see that? Let's see that again. Right, okay, I thought I saw 2 egg yolks go in there, but we are not going to waste this batter. I'm going to just go ahead and mix that until it's just combined. I'm not sure if I should be concerned, but we're just going to keep going. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my dry ingredients, and I'm going to do this in 2 parts. 1 part dry ingredients, and I'm going to mix that in until it is just combined. And then I'm going to add in all of my wet ingredients. And I'm going to mix that in until it is just combined, and then add in my last bit of dry ingredients, and then just mix that until it is almost just combined. And at this point I like to go ahead and get in with my spatula just to get any little bits that are left behind. Now I'm going to take my cookie scoop and I'm going to do a 1.5 scoops of this delicious vanilla batter into my liners, and this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. While my cupcakes are baking, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my buttercream. So into my stand mixer, I have some salted butter and some unsalted butter, and I'm just going to whip these guys together until they are nice and light and fluffy and almost white in complexion. And now I'm going to start adding in my powdered sugar, and I'm going to do this in thirds at a time. Now after I've added in each addition, I'm just going to let it mix on low until everything is just combined, and then hike the speed up into medium high so that everything can whip really nicely for a few minutes. Now's a good time to go ahead and add in my vanilla extract and my heavy whipping cream, and again I'm just going to blend these guys together until everything is well incorporated and it's gotten nice and fluffy. Now that my frosting is done, I'm just going to take a little bit and add it to each one of these bowls, and I'm going to give them their respective Mardi Gras colors. And using a spoon, I'm just going to add a smear on the edge of my piping bags. And I'm doing this in kind of a triangular shape so that once you pipe it out, it looks really nice. And right in the middle, I'm just going to add a little vanilla. And now it's time to go ahead and start decorating our cupcakes. To decorate these cupcakes today, I am using a jumbo open star tip, and I will leave a link below so that you can find it too. As an added bonus, I'm going to take this cute little baby mold that I got, and I added a little melted chocolate in there and made myself a cute little chocolate baby. And I'm just going to cut out the center of this little cupcake. And I'm going to add the baby right inside to kind of make it like a king cake. And now I'm just going to frost over our baby really gently. And as an added decorations, I put some cichlids on top of all of my cupcakes and some really bright Wilton standing sugar. And that's it, guys. Really simple Mardi Gras inspired cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys try this recipe out for yourselves, and I will catch you in the next one.